How to add icon to your Telegram profile on your Telegram app. This is simple. First, make sure that the Telegram app is up to date on your device. Tap on it to open it on your device. Tap on settings. Now go ahead and tap on my profile. Then tap on the edit button. Scroll up. Tap on your color. Then it comes out like this. You have access to this place where you see my name online and others. So to add any icon to my profile, here you see different caption here, different icon here. Tap on them. You see it here, guys. You can select any of these icons that suit you to add to your profile. Then once you type and you've selected it, tap on apply style. Once tap on apply style, then that will be added to your Telegram icon. Then you can as well tap on reset profile to reset all these. So once you've done that, guys, go ahead and tap on back button. So that's all, guys.